Hi everyone, welcome to Super Learning at Home. This is my DIY planner for the coming year. And through this video, I am sharing the process I used to compile this planner. All the resources here are not my own. I have taken them from internet. These are the freebies available on various websites. I have linked all the links in the description box. So feel free to check them out and use them for your own purpose. Okay, so I compiled all the resources, joined them together using this spiral bounding and this plastic sheet cover. Now the colorful printouts I have taken on glaze paper because it adds life to them and it becomes very durable. So let's begin. This is the cover page which I used. I went to 101planners.com. They have a wonderful collection of templates, easy to use templates, and you can use them, customize it as per your own need, add your website name, add the text you want and use them. So the front cover and the back cover of my planner are from 101planners.com. Okay, let's get ahead. So inside my planner, the first page I prefer is the calendar of the entire year ahead with all the holidays and some space for notes. So I used this from wincalendars.com, and you can customize this calendar as well as per the week. Starting week, you want Monday to begin or Sunday. You can customize this as per the country where you're living. So if you are in UK, you can customize the holidays as per that. If you are living in Australia, you can customize as per that. So that is one beautiful feature which they have. So I have customized it as per India, and the holidays of India are listed here with a certain section for note making. Okay. Then after the year, I have a developmental plan, which is again a wonderful plan which lists the goals, the major goal and the subset. Then you have this, your superpowers and the kryptonites, that is the weaknesses. Habit formation, which you want to keep doing or start new, which you should stop. The skill set, which you are targeting. Your actions, and the actions which you are taking for, and the dates. And the review for the next year. So this is one plan I wanted to have in my planner so that I stay motivated looking at it every day. Let's get ahead. I will link this in the description box. You can take this into the color print also, but I preferred a black and white. The next one is the wish list which I have for movies and books. I wanted to just write them down and be sure that I watch them and read these books throughout the year. You can include a number of other trackers which they track the mood, they track birthdays, they track expenses. As and when you want things to happen, you can include them and track them. This is the best part of making your own planner, that you can include things which you want. So it's best to design your own planner. Then let's start with the first month. I have this monthly calendar here to make a track of the meetings I have, the appointments I have, and you can have a look at the month at one go. Here there's a special column for note making. You can add your goals to it or customize this place as you want. Okay, so this is my monthly calendar. Again, the link of this file also I link it in the description box. The next part is my habit tracker. I want this habit tracker every month. So I have included it, and there's a box of the month which I can check in. Which month am I tracking? It helps me track habits like doing exercise, having enough water, having, teaching something specific to my son every day, or, including a particular thing like soaking almonds in the night and soaking methi dana at the night. These are small things which we forget. So we can include them over here and color it or tick it the way you want your tracker to look. And at the end of the month, you have a certain, the scales also available. How much percentage of habits are you acquiring every day? Again, the links I'll provide in the description box. You can decorate it, use stickers, use colors to make it nice and beautiful. Okay, the next now I have a daily plan. I always prefer a daily plan because I have so much to scribble and so much to write every day, and that's why this time I have used a daily tracker. My last year's tracker, wait, I'll show it to you. This is my last year's tracker, and it had a weekly plan. So these are the weeks. this was a weekly plan, okay? So this time I preferred having a daily one so that I can scribble everything in one page and not go beyond. So there is a to-do list, date, your goals for the day, your appointments, the menu which you are planning to have. Your water tracker comes here, so I don't have to include it in the habit tracker. Your notes section and one section for gratitude. Okay, so this is like a complete set of things which you want to track in your whole day, and it is for the whole week. See, so after this month completes, planning for the month ends, I have this review section also. This I picked up from blacko.black, and it has everything which you can list, and it gives you a wonderful time for self introspection and reflection of whatever you have done for the past month, and how can you correct your actions for the next month. And your next month starts from here. Again, the same schedule repeats itself. Now at the end of the year, I have included the next year's calendar to track things in advance, and I have added a few extra pages also for the coming week, for the next month. So this is how you can plan. I have made a couple of other planners. I have included templates from Canva, quotations. You can also insert your own quotations and stay motivated throughout the year. All this costed only ₹300. So I hope you also plan your year and your day and your weeks accordingly. And yes, all the very best for the coming year. A very happy new year to all of you. Okay, so that was all from my side. Stay tuned to Super Learning at Home and check out the links in the description box. Bye bye.